So today's sponsor for this video is Unlimitedville. It is a wireless internet service provider, perfect for rural living. All right, we live off grid with our system here, and this thing here is our internet provider. All right, guys, so this thing uses wireless, and it also uses our wireless service in a way. Okay, we use Verizon for our cell phones. This gizmo right here works off of our mobile towers. It doesn't affect our cell phone bill whatsoever, but it uses our mobile tower, our cellular tower nearby, to provide us with unlimited internet. Now, what you use your unlimited internet is entirely up to you. This thing is perfect for online gaming, 4K video streaming. It does have unlimited 4G Lite, no data limit at all. There's no throttling that you deal with other services that sit there and say unlimited. Yeah, we don't have that issue. When it says unlimited, we have unlimited. We don't get throttled back. We're able to watch movies, follow up on the news, whatever it is that you want to use the internet for, we can use it, and we do use it. I love this system because in my area, the local internet providers, they're always down. We're always getting throttled back. We're always getting a data cap all the time. Now, with my service that I have the red package, and I have the unlimited package. Yeah, I went for the whole shebang when I did it. Freaking love it. This thing here is awesome. We're going to go hook this up on the computer. So with this is the box right here. This is the brains of your internet. All right, this is your modem, the whole receiver. You have 6 antennas. That's what these are, antennas. Remember, this is wireless. Each one, you have a LAN setup, WAN. You have 2.4G, 5G. We also have LTE. That's for the light service. Tighten that back up. These things here, they screw right on the antennas, and to figure out which one, each one has their own adjacent. This says LTE. Look over here, LTE. That tells me that antenna goes to that one right there, and it does come with its own cable and everything. You get a power cord, and you get a modem connection right here that will hook into either the LAN 1, 2, 3, 4, and we actually use LAN 1 on ours, just doing the correlating spot. Easy setup, plug and play. You hook it up to your computer, your TV, no issues at all. We have ours hooked to our computer. And now what this has done is given us the availability to, one, watch my favorite YouTuber. So guys, we are installing our dual charge controllers from EMP Shield. Yeah. So I already have one wired up. We had recently done a video, well, actually about a year ago. So the hookup is actually quite simple. We actually have it hooked up to our computer, which is hooked up to our TV. So, I mean, as you guys can see right here, I'm on YouTube. I can go to the internet, and I can use Google. I can use our Amazon service. I can use anything anybody else uses on the internet. All right, I can watch my Prime videos. I can watch Netflix, and I don't have a lag issue. With our packet that we got the red packet, so we have unlimited. There is no throttled back speeds or anything like that. It's an unlimited service. So we can actually now use the internet on our off-grid site. All right, so our home we built is off-grid. So like I said, Netflix. All right, we can watch movies. We can listen to music. We can do whatever everybody else does with the internet. We have no problem here. The only difference is that when Unlimitedville says it's unlimited, guess what? It's unlimited. We don't have to worry about throttle speeds or anything like that, and we can watch in high definition too. We can also use this for gaming if we were a gamer. All right, you can get up to 4K service. So anyway, guys, definitely check it out if you're interested in the rural package. If you use survival as the promo code, you will get free shipping, and of course, we do get commissions off all sales. We're always open about that. It is a way of helping us out here on the channel as well. All right, guys.